Welcome to another instalment from Natural Remedies. Today's short film is called Heart Smart Foods, the ultimate guide to cardiovascular wellness. If you're looking to boost your heart health while enjoying tasty meals, you're in the right place. Today, we'll dive into recipes and foods proven to support a healthy heart. Stick around to learn how to create simple, yet delicious meals that will nourish both your body and your cardiovascular system. Let's start with a heart-healthy favourite Mediterranean quinoa salad. Quinoa is a great source of plant-based protein and fibre, which helps lower bad cholesterol. In this recipe, cook your quinoa and mix it with all organic cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, red onions, and kalamata olives. Cover it with a dressing made of extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, and a pinch of oregano. Add feta cheese and some chopped fresh parsley for extra flavour. This salad is not only filling but also rich in heart-friendly ingredients like olive oil and tomatoes, which are packed with lycopene, an antioxidant that supports heart health. Next up is a warm and comforting recipe, garlic and lemon roasted salmon. As we mentioned earlier, salmon is one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which lower triglycerides and reduce the risk of heart disease. For this dish, season your salmon fillets with freshly minced garlic, lemon slices, olive oil, and a touch of sea salt. Roast in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Serve alongside roasted Brussels sprouts, another heart-smart veggie, rich in fibre and antioxidants that help maintain healthy cholesterol levels. Looking for a quick midday snack idea? Try overnight oats with berries and almond butter. Mix half a cup of oats with a cup of almond milk and leave it in the fridge overnight. In the morning, top it with heart-boosting ingredients like blueberries, chia seeds, and a spoonful of almond butter. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, while chia seeds provide omega-3s and fibre to help keep your arteries clear. Now let's move on to another delicious snack, avocado and walnut toast. Mash half an avocado onto whole grain toast and sprinkle it with crushed walnuts and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats that can help lower bad cholesterol, and walnuts offer heart-healthy omega-3s. This snack is a powerhouse for heart health and takes only minutes to prepare. For a flavourful, heart-friendly dinner, consider making lentil and tomato stew. Lentils are rich in plant-based protein, fibre, and magnesium, all of which are crucial for heart health. Start by sautéing onions, garlic, and carrots in olive oil. Add a can of diced tomatoes, a cup of lentils, vegetable broth, and spices like cumin and paprika. Let it simmer until the lentils are tender. This stew is a comforting, hearty meal, and thanks to the tomatoes and lentils, it's packed with both fibre and antioxidants that support your cardiovascular system. If you're in the mood for something sweet, dark chocolate-dipped strawberries are a guilt-free treat that can benefit your heart. Melt a few squares of dark chocolate, at least 70% cocoa, and dip fresh strawberries into the chocolate. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids, which help improve blood flow and lower blood pressure, while strawberries offer fibre and vitamins that protect your heart. One important thing to remember is that dark chocolate is poisonous to your dogs, so don't feed them this. That's it for today's guide to Heart Smart Foods. By adding these delicious recipes to your routine, you'll be giving your heart the support it needs to stay healthy and strong. Whether it's quinoa salad, salmon, or even dark chocolate-dipped strawberries, these foods can make a big difference in your cardiovascular health. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more heart-healthy tips and recipes. Let us know in the comments which dish you're excited to try. Thank you for watching, and here's to a happy, healthy heart. Natural Remedies, Cheshire. Disclaimer: